My name is Violet Rush, and I am a 2L at the University of Tulsa College of Law, and my specialty is reproductive rights. After graduating from the University of Texas at Austin, I moved to New Mexico, and I served as an AmeriCorps Vista with the Native Youth Wellness Corps project. And once my contract with AmeriCorps was finished, I moved back to Tulsa so that I could help create positive change for my community. I chose the University of Tulsa School of Law because there's a great sense of intellectual freedom here. No matter how untraditional your legal path may be, the faculty and the administration is incredibly supportive of your work, and the Professional Development Office will do whatever they can to help you build your own network so that you're ready for your career as soon as you leave school. My goal is to become a reproductive rights litigator to fight unconstitutional legislation at the appellate level. I got involved in reproductive rights because I have always believed that bodily autonomy and bodily integrity are both fundamental rights. And without those rights, we can't build the kind of communities that we want for our children or for our neighbors or for ourselves. I'm going to participate in the Community Advocacy Clinic at TU Law because I want to learn how to develop strategic partnerships between local nonprofit organizations and the legal community. If I were speaking to a group of my friends and they were considering whether or not to go to law school, I would encourage them to go because with a law degree, you don't just have to be a litigator. You can work in policy, you can work in nonprofit management. There is nothing but open doors for you as soon as you earn your JD. As an adult who decided to go to law school, funding was incredibly important to my decision, and thankfully, TU has an incredibly generous donor base that is ready to support students with scholarships. I am currently working with If When How to develop a student chapter of the organization at the University of Tulsa College of Law. Our chapter goals are to create a body of legal research around reproductive justice issues that specifically affect Oklahoma's most marginalized populations, including the LGBTQ community, communities of color, and people who are incarcerated. My decision to come to law school was based on my experience as a reproductive rights activist. I did a lot of community organizing at the grassroots level, and I believe I can make a greater impact as a reproductive rights attorney. If you were already planning on attending law school, I would urge you to consider going to TU because there is a great sense of intellectual freedom in your studies. In addition, there is a low faculty to student ratio, which means that you can build meaningful relationships with your professors, which is incredibly beneficial for your career later on.